What is a data management platform? Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about what a data management platform is. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So according to Oracle, data management platform collects, organizes, and activates first, second, and third-party audience data from various online, offline, and mobile sources. And it uses that data to build detailed customer profiles that can be used for advertising and personalized initiatives. So a data management platform is much like a CRM and does have many of the same characteristics in some cases. However, it's more focused on specifically managing your data and using it from an advertising perspective. I'm going to pull up on the screen some examples of data management platforms so that you can see them. If you have any questions about data management platforms, leave them below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.